This is OPPO F23 and today I would like to show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly get that. Once the app is ready, you can obviously go ahead and launch it. Then tap at the green continue button. Wait a few seconds. Skip the ad that follows. And finally, in order to connect your smartphone to VPN, you're going to tap at this icon over there. Allow the Turbo VPN app to create internet connections. And as you can see, the VPN was successfully connected to. While at it, you can modify the server, country, or even the city of your VPN. So that's how you can change the servers. And finally, in order to turn the VPN off, tap at the cross icon over there, then tap at the disconnect option. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.